My name is Angela Chunu, and I've come to attend the workshop for Recruitment Service Startup today. I was motivated to start up my own business because I've been working in healthcare for so many years, and I just finished my MBA in healthcare. And after finishing, I was looking for jobs, unable to get the right job for me, and I decided to go into opening my own business, which hopefully I'm starting today, because I've attended the workshop and it was very useful. I got insight into what the industry is about, how to go about starting my own business. I got all the information I needed and I've signed up today. It's a very good business adventure for me, and I'll recommend it to my friends and families to join up. I'll be able to tell them what it's about and how they'll go about it, and I'll recommend them to come to Recruitment Startup Services to sign up.